Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I get through a lot of different locks on my channel, so I'm often looking for bargains, and I came across this Smith's padlock on Amazon, not a sponsor, for about £8. And what really appealed to me was it had a closed shackle, it had these multi-pin keys. It just sort of like actually could be quite a high security lock for the money. I mean, I'm not naive. I also thought it might be terrible, but I live in hope. And just look at some of these specs. It's shock and pull resistant up to 4,000 kilograms, 4 metric tons. It's got open guard to allow shackle to rotate freely, which is probably good because here it is. And if it didn't, then that wouldn't be able to actually unlock. 5 keys, 5! And just look at these keys with the multi-pins, the bitting. Looks like it's got 10 pins in there. Actually, I've got no idea how many pins it really does have. It says incredibly easy to lock and open, which is actually true. Secure locking for peace of mind, which is good. Strong and durable steel core. Well, that looks like brass to me, but okay. And do you like this? I love this. You love it. With the birth of YouTube, it's never been easier to lockpick even advanced locks. Unique key design for ensured security. Well, let's just stop there for a minute. So they're right, you know, with the advance of YouTube, more people are maybe picking locks and know various ways to get into locks. So, you know, surely it would be quite hard to, you know, pick a lock like this. You certainly wouldn't be able to rake it open with simple Chinese lock picks, would you? So, yeah, thank goodness it's got a unique key design, because that would be really embarrassing if you could just open a lock that easily. I also like this image where it says drill, picking and cutting resistant, ensuring a powerful, reliable and long-lasting padlock. But I do know that that's not the same padlock as in the image, which I don't know what that is actually. Something really vintage, probably a wafer lock of some kind. I mean, it looks a bit like this. So I think we need to single pin pick this, see whether the hardened alloy steel, high-tech computer key, anti-rust locking mechanism and difficult to pick and drill and cut 1-year guarantee lock holds up to at least a more skilled attack. Top of the keyway tension. We're really not going to count the pins. We're just going to go sort of back and forth with this lockpick here. And anything that feels like it's binding, we're just going to sort of just press it in. I'm not even going to check what pins I'm on. It's literally just, you can see the core move there as I go through this, and we're already open. There you go. So that was technically single pin picking. It's just going through and touching any pins in the lock and getting it open. So, I mean, this is a good lock if you want to like do a party trick, I guess, to show that you've got one of these, like, and it is actually a pain to reset. You've sort of got to almost re-pick it to get it to close again. But yeah, if you wanted a little party trick to like show somebody what appears to be a high security multi-pin lock, then I suppose you could get one of these to show how you can actually rake these locks, which I do think is really good fun. It is a fun party trick because it really doesn't take a lot to do, but that's all this lock provides to a lock picker. It's just a party trick. It's not really a good lock for anything to, like, for practice purposes. It's not a difficult multi-pin high pin count lock. It's cheap at least, but it's a really hard recommend for pretty much any purpose in my opinion. Do not confuse it with something like a Lips Octro or anything like it, because the keys look very, very similar in terms of dimple locks, but trust me, this is infinitely harder to pick and far better quality than whatever this is made from. So sorry, Smiths, founded in 2015. Yeah, as always, you do get what you pay for, and this is woefully easy to pick. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, hit that like button. If you think I deserve it, then I'd appreciate you subscribing, maybe even hitting that notification bell for more content like this. I really appreciate it, and it does help my channel out. Any comments about this lock? Have you actually picked one of these? Have you bought by accident? Then please comment down below. I do read all the comments and reply to as many as I can. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.